Hello students, let's start. Poem number 1. My mother at 66. Standard 12th. Subject English. In the poem there is a mention about, in the second paragraph before you read, there is a mentioning aging is a natural process. It means we have to grow up. And day by day our age increase. Have you ever thought what elderly parents expect from us? So are we thinking about that what is the expectations of our parents? So there is a mention about the expectations of the parents with the child. So there is a mentioning the poem written by the Kamala Das. What is mentioning in the poem? So there is a mention about, I am reading the first stanza. Driving from my parents' home to Kochi last Friday morning, I saw my mother's besides me, doors open mouth, her face ashen like that of the corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put the thoughts away and looked at a young tree sprinting. So here it is a mentions about that the Kamala Das and her mother both, they were sitting in a car. So the poem it is a mention is about the last Friday. So the incident happened with the Kamala Das, and she mentioned in her poem that I and my mother, we were sitting in a car driving from the parents' house. It means driving from the mother's house to Kochi. And that time there is a mention about the Friday morning. I saw my mother's beside. The mother sat beside the Kamala Das. And there is a mention about the doze. Doze it means the mother in a half sleep. Open mouth. Her face ashen like as a corpse. So here it is a mentions about the ashen like the corpse. It means a colorless. And the corpse means about the dead body. As per the old age, there is a mentions the simile that the mother as looked like a dead body and colorless. He realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, and I realized as per the she was old, and that is why the pain can be felt by the Kamala Das. Next here it is a mention, put that thought away. I am not now thinking about my mother. I side away that idea and look out the young trees sprinting. Young tree sprinting it means about the running. So both were sitting in the car. So the Kamala Das looked outside the tree, they were run. It means about to they were running. The many children spilling out of their homes. It means the many children came out with the jumping for the fun. But after that airport's security check, standing a few hours away, I looked again at her, van pale. So finally we reached to the airport, checking completed, and the mother standing alone, and Kamala Das ready for the his Kamala Das ready for her traveling. So from the distance, Kamala Das noticed her wan face. It means about the colorless face as a late winter's moon, and the felt that old familiar age. Here it is a mentions about the face as the again the simile compared with the winter's moon, late winter's moon, felt that old familiar ache. It means about the one of the pain again, the pain again and again faced by the Kamala Das, my childhood fears. So what type of the pain there is a mention about the childhood fear. It means that when we are a child, it means when we are maybe grown up, but we have a fear that my parents maybe died and now what to do. So that the fear with Kamala Das. But all I said was, see you soon. But Kamala Das not thinking about that the idea that the mother may be dead, but with the hope she departed, and which hope there is a mention about that she informed to mother that see you soon, we will meet again, Amma. All I did was smile, smile, and smile, and I faced the challenge. I didn't cry, but I faced the challenge that very soon I'll meet my mother, and finally, with the smile face, both departed. So, it is the explanation. I hope you may understand. Thank you, students.